Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, May 18th. I hope you guys had a really great weekend. Here is what we are going to do today. So watch the video and keep in mind that everyone should be watching the video every day. I go over the instructions of the assignments. So sometimes there's kind of a little more clarification in there that would help you on those assignments. So make sure that you're watching the video and filling out the Google form that goes along with it. If you have any late work, go ahead and turn that in. Today's going to be day 3 of the summative. If you haven't already turned in day 1 and day 2, those both need to be done before you can move on to day 3. On some of your charts, I went through and made comments that some of the things are done incorrectly or need to be moved or you need more information. So make sure that you're paying attention to those comments and fixing those mistakes before you move on to day 3. To get full credit for the summative, not just resolving the comment. Complete the discussion, and then like I said, our assignment today is day 3 for the summative. Hand that in, and then our fun activity is the photo contest. My classroom today is 518 classroom, and that's where you'll find the video, and the Google form will be there for you. And then the summative, you already have open this. And again, the comments that I made on day 1 and day 2 was that you were to answer the questions right here at the dash, like it says in the instructions, to answer these questions in the questions column. This column is for you to basically take notes from the source. Bullet notes are fine, and then also put quotations in there that you could possibly use in your CER paragraph today. So this is where the questions are answered. This is where the notes, direct evidence, and then evidence in your own word is listed. If you do not have your chart completed this way, you will not get credit for it. So make sure that you fix your chart. All right, so then you'll scroll down to day 3. In a CER paragraph, answer the following prompt. Why did the Roman Republic fail? So to be successful, your answer will include a strong claim that answers the questions. It will have 3 pieces of evidence to support your claim. These pieces of evidence will come from just those sources as well as the intro essay that you did on day 1, not from the internet. So make sure that you're not Googling the answer and putting things in there. You need sound reasoning for your evidence. Why did you pick that? A cited quotation. So this will come directly from one of the sources and it will be in quotation marks. So your evidence will be in your own words using the information from the sources, and then your cited quotation would be directly from the source and in quotation marks, and then you'll let me know which source you got it from. And a strong conclusion statement. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and hand it in, and then check out our fun activity for today. This is our online classroom. So by clicking on me, you get the video and the Google form. This is our picture winner from Friday, and then the order of events for today. All right, so again, the video Google form also over here, and then the CER due today. All right, if you have any questions, just send me an email. Have a good day. Bye.